up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Des if you guys are new here. For today's video, we're just gonna be redecorating and reorganizing my whole entire room. This is gonna be part one because obviously I didn't finish in the first half of the video, but I did do a lot of stuff that I've been meaning to get to that I've just been putting off for so long. Just like clean certain parts of my room. I feel like it took me forever. This video was definitely needed to give me some motivation to clean up my damn room. I feel like it's easy for me to clean a room, but it's not easy for me to like maintain the cleanliness. So that's what I'm really trying to work on here. I'm so happy that I actually took the time to deep clean my room, just like declutter everything that I don't need anymore. I feel like it really weighs a lot on like your mind and your mental and just like your physical and mental stress in general. Keeping your room clean is always going to be good for your mind and just help you focus more on what you need to do. If you guys are interested in seeing my whole room transformation and how I cleaned it up, how I made it look nice and fresh again, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so to start off the vlog, I'm gonna be using this Vichy, I think this is like a clay mask. I'm not really sure what it is, but I got it when I was in Florida and it actually works pretty good. I just started using it literally recently. We're gonna leave that on for 20 to 30 minutes while I clean my makeup brushes because it's literally been, I don't even think I've ever cleaned my makeup brushes. It's definitely time for a little bath. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me washing all of my foundation, eyeshadow, contour, blush, highlighter, just pretty much any makeup brush I own. I'm gonna be washing it today just so that I can have a full cleanse, a full reset. I feel like it's also gonna be really good for my skin because I have been breaking out in like really random areas that I don't usually break out in. So hopefully this fixes that problem, and I'm just excited to have new clean makeup brushes. I literally haven't done this 2-3 years ago, probably for a video was the last time I actually cleaned them. I'm super excited to have new clean makeup brushes. Okay, so right now we're gonna clear off my desk. I really just want to rearrange everything and make it look a lot neater and a lot cleaner. So many old ass drinks that I just have not even paid attention to, and I've literally just been avoiding them this whole time. I'm gonna take these to the kitchen and just throw them away because I have so many random ass little water bottles. Today's the day. I'm not gonna let this get any worse than it already has. It honestly isn't that bad. I'm just gonna be reorganizing everything. I have like the most random shit on my dresser. Some little hyaluronic acid. I'm definitely gonna keep this. Let me tell y'all, it's a struggle, but I'm really gonna try to keep up on organizing my stuff because I feel like I just throw everything on my dresser and it ends up becoming a huge pile and like a huge problem, and I just need to stop doing that. I just have the most random things laying on this desk and we're gonna clear it out, refresh my environment. Let's get into it. Why do I even have this right here? But I still low-key need to try this. I got this from Mexico and I still really want to try the tajin dulce. So right now I'm kind of just rearranging everything and reorganizing my desk to kind of make it look how I want it to look. I was trying to put like my most used products in the front because I feel like I have so many products that are on display that I don't actually use. Just wanted to rearrange it so that I can put my most used products in the front and just put everything else away. And then I got these really cute rhinestone makeup brush organizers from Amazon, so I just used those and put all of my new clean makeup brushes in there. I think it looks so good. I love how everything came out. It was so needed for me to just wash all my makeup brushes and reorganize my makeup area. And then I also found all of these new cups and like little mugs and stuff from my old apartment, so I wanted to just show you guys. And then I went and put them in my kitchen because I know they're gonna get lost after I put them in there. So yeah, I just found a bunch of my old miscellaneous cups that I used to use all the time. I think they're so cute. Camera always look like it's zoomed in. It just is so zoomed in. What's up? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all already know it's 7 a.m. right now. Oh, actually no, it's not 7, it's 8. So I just woke up. If you guys want to know, I usually sleep in my bonnet. This little yellow leopard like bonnet silk sleeping cap. Put my hair in like this little high ponytail to protect my curls. I just put this over it and I go to sleep. And then I wake up and my hair looks exactly, well, not, doesn't look as defined as it did the night before, but I can still kind of try to refresh it and it'll still look good. So basically right now I'm gonna be getting ready for just like a little photo shoot. I have some promo pictures I need to take and then I need to finish a video. So there's just a couple little work tasks I gotta get done. I also need to go to the BMW shop and get this little part so that I can get my tire back on, because I have a spare tire but one of my tires is flat. So yeah, I literally haven't driven my car in almost a week and I really need to get that taken care of so that I can start driving again. Like getting used to not driving and it's not my cup of tea. Like I need to get my car back. What my curls look like? Something like, honestly I feel like my curls always come out looking better when I use less product than normal. Usually I'll like stack a bunch of products on my hair and it'll look like really defined, but I started to realize that the smaller amount of products that I use definitely makes my hair look the best. I feel like that goes with everything, like less is more in general. So from Amazon and we're gonna put them up on top of my closet so that, you know, my room can have some decorum, because my room is boring. I'm tired of my boring ass room. So even though, you know, we are what? Ew. Yeah, that smells actually horrendous. But if you guys want the same ones, I'll link them down below, even though they smell like fish. Yeah, I was about to say this. We might end up moving out soon. I'm still gonna decorate my room because I'm tired of it being boring. My dad also gave me some thumbtacks so that we can try to put these up. Hey! Dude, that's beautifulness already. Finished putting all the Amazon vines up, even though they smell like freaking fish. Those right here, like next to the doorway, and these ones next to my bathroom, and these ones next to the bed. I'm probably gonna get like little flower things and try to put little flower garlands so that it looks more floral in here. And then in the bathroom, we put up some little leaves just to make it look cuter in here. My bathroom is really bland, like there's nothing going on in here. We decided to put up some leaves in here. This looks nice. Right, here's my shower curtain, and we just put them all down the line right here next to my little mushroom poster that I got from Earthbound. Yeah, I think it's really cute. I think it really spiced up the place. These ones just go down like this. I'm probably gonna get more just in case I want to decorate a little bit more, but I am gonna be moving out soon. There's really no point in decorating it that much. I'm still gonna be over here at my mom's for a long time. I mean, not for a long time, but I'm still gonna be coming over here like back and forth. So I'm still gonna be enjoying the decorations and everything. It looks so cute in here. It looks like a little fairy wonderland. Wonderland. A little fairy wonderland, I meant. And then these ones, we didn't really know where to put these ones, but we just ended up putting them here because we couldn't put them right here because all this stuff was in the way. And then I might put up fairy lights too. I'll let you guys know when I get more decorations to put up in my room and everything. But I think it looks pretty good. Okay, you guys, so next up, we're gonna do this disgusting corner over here. I don't even know what's going on. We're gonna clear this out real quick because I'm tired of looking at it, tired of thinking about it. This I already know is trash, so we're gonna go take that out right now. All of this stuff right here, like this box and this bag, is all stuff that I'm getting rid of. Basically, it's just a bunch of clothes and accessories that I'm gonna be donating or either selling or giving away in a giveaway. It's just like stuff that doesn't fit me, stuff I don't wear anymore, stuff that's really old. It's just like so much stuff, so we're gonna put this somewhere else. Honestly, there's just too much stuff in my room right now. And like, as you can see, I have like a whole bunch of jewelry in here. Like literally years worth of jewelry and like sunglasses, earrings, accessories. I'm probably just gonna throw them in like little giveaway bags. And these are all some more clothes that I don't think I'm gonna wear anymore. This whole bag I know I'm getting rid of because I've went through this stuff already. These are just little baskets, literally just full of I don't even know what. Like, let's clear y'all out. We're gonna be clearing out this whole area. That's just a bunch of perfumes and like hair oils and stuff. I need to put those away or get rid of them, declutter them or something. I'm probably gonna declutter those all at once for a separate video, but there is so many products that I need to get rid of. It's definitely gone too far. Like, I don't even use half of this stuff, but I know it's still really good. Okay, so I basically got this section all cleaned up. I'm actually going to use these two boxes right here, so that's why I'm leaving them right there, because I don't want to have to go back and get them. So we're going to leave these right here, and then like I said, we're going to declutter all of this stuff for another video, so make sure you guys stay tuned on that. Yeah, and then I also need to go over this with the mop because as you can see, it does need to be mopped, but I'm really glad that I got the sweeping and everything out the way so that I can just mop it now and it'll be completely finished. And then I also want to go and look for some like white fuzzy rugs that I can put all around my room just to make it look a little bit like more put together, because I used to have like 2 or 3 white fuzzy rugs, but they ended up getting so messed up and dirty. Somebody threw it outside and let the dog sleep on it. I don't know who the fuck. Yeah, I think it actually came out pretty good. I still have to take out all this trash right here, but that's gonna be easy. And yeah, everything else looks pretty good. I'm probably gonna end up working on this side later, but for now I think the closet area looks pretty good. I have my closet like packed up to the brim with just like baby stuff, just like a whole bunch of packages and stuff I'm gonna need when the baby comes. So that's why my closet looks super packed up and full right now. I already love these little decorations that I put up the other day. Like, I think it looks so good and it really ties my room together. I feel like I've never really had decorations like these before, so I really love the way they came out. And then I also really want to take down these posters. I feel like they're super like 2019, 2020. So that was a good era. I just feel like it's low-key time to get rid of these and maybe get some new posters, or even just like some new wall art that doesn't have to be posters like this, but just like wall art in general. I think will look really good. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys follow me on all my socials if you're not already. Yeah, I do post a lot on like my Instagram and my second TikTok, and also my Snapchat. I do post a lot on there. I've been really active recently. Make sure you guys go follow me on all my socials. And then I'm also thinking about doing Vlogmas, so if that's something that you guys want to see from me this year, then make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know, because I don't know if I should really put in all that effort and work. You guys aren't gonna tune in, so let me know if you guys want that from me, like seriously, for real. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. There will be a part 2 to this video, because obviously I'm not done reorganizing and redecorating my room. Even though I'm already looking for new places to live and everything, I'm still gonna be like enjoying the decoration, and I still want to make this room super cute because this is still my room. Like, even if I leave, I can still come back and this is always gonna be my room. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.